Hey guys, hello? It is the Piggy Master. I said hello. I'm going to be doing some funny stuff with my puppies. Okay, so first is first. I need to open my bubble gum. Okay, I'm gonna sit on that log right there. This is a vlog, by the way. My dogs. He doesn't even know what he... This log is not stable. Guys, sorry. Okay, we might need to face... Wait, hold on. You guys might need to face my flowers. Sorry. Just face those flowers at once because I'm gonna open my my bubble gum. Are you? Guys, this isn't the double bubble I eat. It's a different flavor. No, it's not. Hold on, guys. Well, got my dog chasing after me. Woo! I am back. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Just one thing. What are you doing, Zach? What? Max. Quit looking at his... Yeah. Just quit looking at him. I don't know what to do here. Do you want to face the flowers again? Face them. Face the flowers. Whoa, Zach, you're getting too close. They need to face the flowers. Oh yeah. No. Sorry, guys. That was right near one of my... Let's face these flowers. Sort of. Just because. Jack, what are you doing? This is the double bubble I need. So good. Come on. Whoa. And off we go. I pranked my dogs. Want this. I tried to do the Freddy thing. Come on. No. Sorry, guys. My dog tried to eat me. Rude. Watch it. You heard that? No. I will. Yeah, you want a piece of cement? Okay. Did not mean to do that. Let's swing, why don't we? Nice day, isn't it, for my baseball bat? Zach, really? Nice little day for my baseball. Wait, that's not my baseball bat. Why? What in the world? Nice little day for my ball. Or my baseball. I don't know how to say this. This is odd. Yeah, yep, you're odd. If that's too loud for you, guys, you might want to turn the sound on. Okay. Zach. Guys. Oh, come on, that didn't work. Away. I don't know how to get the puppy away. You get the puppy. Isn't he? Well, what do we do? No. Don't kiss me. Don't kiss me in the lips. Don't lick me there. Puppy. Goodness, that puppy. I don't want to step in that pool. Are you kidding me? What? Oh, come on! No! He took my weapon. He took it. Well, that's all I got for today, guys. See you next time. Bye!